us, half of all American marriages end in divorce, and things can get pretty messy in the process. So we're talking with a family attorney about how couples can use mediation to settle differences instead of litigation. We're going to talk about divorce. We're going to talk to an attorney about some of the best ways to handle that, because we know marriages in this country, about 50% of them end in divorce. We're going to get some legal education when it comes to legally separating. With almost half of American marriages ending in divorce today, separation is an unfortunate reality for so many people. The question is, should couples be considering mediation instead of divorce? Now, this morning, I'm joined by family attorney Alan Plevy to explain what this is all about. Good morning to you.
Good morning. How are you today?
I can't complain. It's Friday. The weather is turning on us in a good way, so it's all good. So let's jump right into this for some people who might not be necessarily having a great Friday or be in a great situation right now. Talking about divorce. So first of all, explain what the difference is between mediation and actually getting an attorney to go through a divorce proceeding.
Well, to actually go through a divorce proceeding, you do need an attorney to file for the papers for the complaint for divorce. Mediation is a tool that we use to seek a resolution of the parties' issues, whether it be custody or money, and seek the resolution outside of the courtroom. It's a quicker process, it's a cheaper process, it's less anxiety, and we find it works very well.
Right. Now, when it comes to mediation, do you need, you still need attorneys for both sides for the mediation, or just one attorney? How does that work?
Yeah. The mediator will act as a neutral person to work with the parties to try to seek a resolution on the issues. Now, the parties should have their own attorneys at the very least to be able to resolve and look at the marital settlement agreement, or the agreement that arises from the agreement reached between the mediator and the parties.
Right.
Parties can also bring their attorneys to the mediation if they desire.
Right. And as far as the actual mediator is concerned, where does that mediator come from? Do you get together with the attorneys and then get the mediator, or how does that process work, finding someone to actually mediate?
You can find people who mediate from the Bar Association. The local Bar Association has a list of mediators. You can Google it on your internet or speak to other people. Unfortunately, divorce is a common occurrence, and there's a lot of people that have gone through it, and a lot of people that have also gone through it with mediation.
Right. And when you're talking about people that are separating, that means that they don't agree on a lot of different things. So how do you agree on a mediator? How does that process work?
Well, you got to start somewhere. And you interview the mediator. You can talk to them. Most mediators that I know are willing to talk to you on the phone for a few minutes. You can look up their background again on the internet or through the Bar Association. And there's various sources where you can find the background for the mediator that you're looking for.
And I saw there are some benefits to actually doing it through the mediation process. It's actually faster or quicker?
Well, it is faster. The court calendar is very clogged up, so you're looking at trial dates that are months and months in the future, where as opposed to mediation, you can meet with mediator at any time that you can do.
Now, as far as dealing when you're talking about children, there is an upside to having a mediator when you're dealing with children and custody and all these different things as well. What is the upside to that?
Well, the upside to having a mediator in the beginning of the process is there are issues that arise after the divorce is finalized because children grow and their needs change, and there could be a change for custody. There might be a change for modification, visitation, or child support, or which school district are we going to put the child in, and so forth. And those are things that you can bring back to your mediator. And since they have the history of parties, they can work quickly and fast with the parties to try to reach a resolution on whatever the particular issue might be at this time.
All right. And if people want more information about mediation versus litigation, where should they go to find you or talk to you or ask you any questions?
Well, my firm is SmolenPlevy.com, and we are in Tyson's Corner. And there it is on the screen, and be happy to talk to you and speak to you about mediation and working through the process.
All right. Thank you very much, sir. We appreciate your time this morning. You take care and have a fabulous weekend.
Same to you.